Welcome to English Mouth, real English for how people actually communicate at work, about money, and in real life. Today, we're talking about small talk with 6 situations and real phrases. Let's get into it.
Part 1, Breaking the Ice. Introduction. Okay, first hurdle. How do you even start? Here's the mistake people make. They think they need something clever. You don't. Native speakers open with something small and obvious, usually about whatever's happening right there in the room. The rule is, comment on the shared situation. Don't ask something personal. Keep it light. Keep it easy. The structure plus real phrases. The move, comment on what's around you, whether the coffee, the line, the event, anything you're both experiencing. Crazy weather today, right? Have you tried the coffee here? It's actually pretty good. This line is taking forever. So how do you know everyone here? Put it together. Man, this line is taking forever. Have you been to one of these before? Notice nothing clever. Just a comment on the moment and a tiny question to hand them the ball.
Part 2, keeping it going so it doesn't die. Introduction. This is the big one. This is where most people freeze. Someone asks you a question, you answer, and then dead silence. Here's the secret native speakers use without even thinking. Never just answer. Always answer, then bounce it back. Give them something to grab onto. Answer plus a question, every single time. The structure plus real phrases. The move, answer, then bounce it back. Don't leave your answer just sitting there. Add a little, then return the question. Yeah, I love it here. How about you? Pretty good. Thanks. Busy week though. Oh, I'm from Germany. Actually, have you ever been? The shortcut. What about you? When in doubt, these 3 words save you every time. What about you? How about yourself? You put it together. How was your weekend? Oh, pretty relaxed, honestly. Just caught up on sleep. How about you? Did you get up to anything? See, you answered. You added a tiny detail, and you handed it right back. The conversation can't die if you keep passing the ball.
Part 3, Finding something in common. Introduction. Now here's how good conversations really happen. You listen for a hook. When the other person says something, there's almost always a little detail you can grab and ask about. Native speakers do this constantly. They catch a keyword and just follow it. You don't need new topics. You mind the ones they give you. The structure plus real phrases. The move, catch a keyword and follow it. Here's something specific. Ask about it. People love talking about their own stuff. Oh, you're into hiking. Where do you usually go? Wait, you just got back from Japan? How was it? You mentioned you're in design. What kind of stuff do you work on? The magic words. Tell me more about that. Oh, nice. Tell me more about that. That sounds interesting. How did you get into it? Put it together. So, I've been getting really into pottery lately. Oh, wait, pottery. That's so cool. How did you even get started with that? You're not inventing topics. You're just pulling the thread they handed you. That's the whole trick.
Part 4, when your mind goes blank. Introduction. Okay, but what about the nightmare moment? The silence hits, your brain empties, and you've got nothing. First, relax. Native speakers get here too. The difference is they have little filler moves to buy time and easy ways to reset the conversation. You don't have to be quick, you just need a couple of tools for the awkward gap. The structure, plus real phrases. Move 1. Buy yourself time. These give you a second to think without the silence feeling heavy. Oh, that's a good question. Let me think. How do I put this? Move 2. Reset with a safe question. When you're truly stuck, fall back on these. They always work. So what do you do? By the way, anyway, How's your week been? So what's keeping you busy these days? Put it together. Anyway, so what do you do? By the way, that little word, anyway, is your best friend. It smooths right over the silence and lets you restart. Nobody even notices.
Part 5, ending it gracefully. Introduction. Here's what nobody teaches, and everyone needs: how to get out of a conversation without being awkward. You can't just walk away, and you can't stand there forever either. Native speakers use a simple formula: give a reason, say something nice, and leave the door open. Wrap, warm, out. The structure plus real phrases. Step 1. Signal you're wrapping up. Give a reason. Anyway, I should probably let you go. I've got to grab another drink. But I don't want to keep you. Step 2. Say something warm. It was really great talking to you. I'm so glad we got to chat. Step 3. Leave the door open. Let's definitely catch up again. Hope I run into you again. Put it together. Anyway, I should let you get back to it, but it was really nice talking to you. Let's catch up again soon. Reason, warmth, open door, clean exit, good feeling. Nobody's offended. That's how it's done.
Part 6, small talk at work. Introduction. Last one, the workplace version, because this is where a lot of you actually need it. Chatting with coworkers, the client before a meeting, that person in the elevator. The bar is lower here. You're not trying to be fascinating. You're just being friendly and human. Keep it light, keep it work safe, and know how to land the classic "how was your weekend?" The structure plus real phrases. The safe openers, Monday to Friday. How was your weekend? Getting much done today? Or one of those days? Any plans for the long weekend? How to actually answer "how was your weekend?" Don't just say "good." Give one tiny detail, then bounce it back. Pretty chill. Honestly, just recharged. How about you? Busy one. My kid had a soccer thing. You do anything fun? The elevator. Awkward gap saver. Staying busy? Happy Friday. Almost the weekend, right? Put it together. Morning. How was your weekend? Oh, pretty relaxed. Thanks. Needed it. How about you? Do anything fun? That's all it takes. One detail, one question back. You seem warm, approachable, easy to work with, and that stuff actually matters for your career.
So that's it. 6 situations. And one idea running through all of them. Small talk isn't about being clever. It's about keeping the ball moving. Open with the moment. Always bounce the question back. Pull the thread they give you. And when you're stuck, anyway, reset. Do that, and you'll never get trapped in an awkward silence again. The full transcript is in the description if you want to practice these. And hey, what do you struggle with most in English? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe so you don't miss it. I will see you in the next episode.